Baked turkey with tandoori seasoning. This turkey has a delicious aroma. Happy Thanksgiving. This is the holiday season. We are baking this turkey with tandoori seasoning. It's gonna take around 3.5 hours of our time. Once you get this from the market, it has been sitting just like this in the kitchen to get it onto room temperature. First thing first we will do, we will open this, rinse this, and then we will come back here. This is approximately about 15 pounds. We have to bake this with a good flavor. OMG, look at this beauty. So this is the seasoning pack. Usually it comes with this. So for now, we don't need that. So this is the turkey neck. Here is our delicious turkey. All the way. Turkey, we'll put this on the side. We'll grab baking sheet and some foil paper first. Be generous with the foil. Four layers. So these are approximately about 16 ingredients to give this tandoori flavor to this delicious turkey for this holiday. Just make sure your turkey is not frozen when you're making this recipe. At this point, we will turn on our bake, right? So we'll put it at 375, and the time we are putting for 3.5 hours. Let's grab this big boy, put it right here in the center. Wipe out your hands. If you want to change the glove, you can change it. First thing, it's going on top of this. This is clove powder, okay, or ground clove. This is going half tablespoon. This is coriander. I'll take, this is 15 pounds of the turkey, so 2 tablespoons goes here. This is cumin. 2 tablespoons. 16 ingredients, as I told you. 1 whole tablespoon of the black pepper. We will take 2 tablespoons of the salt. This is smoky paprika for the tandoori taste. We'll take 2 tablespoons. This is mace powder, at least 2 tablespoons. We are almost halfway done in here. Oregano leaves, we will take 1 tablespoon. Rosemary, at least half tablespoon. We will take basil leaves, half tablespoon. Garlic powder, we will take 2 tablespoons. We have thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon of thyme leaves. Last but not least, we have parsley flakes. We have to add it, 1 tablespoon. Some olive oil for this, okay? So add at least 4 tablespoons of olive oil on top. We need a little bit of lubrication on it. Since it's basted turkey, right? Use your hands and just rub everything up. Go all the way deep into the cavity as well, so your turkey get flavors. Turn it over. This boy will be flavorful. If you want to cook the neck with it, just put it right next to it, you know. Beautiful turkey has been fully seasoned with tandoori seasoning, right? Take an orange. And we will put this into the cavity right here. 1 whole orange. We will take lemon with the skin. We'll take half of the onion and try to just squeeze it in there, all these vegetables. Okay. I had to wear the gloves because I was making a lot of mess. So this seasoning, just sprinkle it right on top of on the stuffing. We will tie these legs together just like that. For me, it's not easy to tie legs. Our delicious tandoori seasoned turkey is ready to get into oven. I have showed you the whole process. All 16 ingredients, the dry spice ingredients are in here. So this is the moment of truth now. We will put the turkey in the center of our baking sheet and the foil. And for now, just, make a pot out of your foil. So the base is completely covered. And here we go. You can listen. Our oven is ready. So let's go, guys, for 2.5 hours. This is 7:42. Add 2.5 hours in there. At 10:10, we will take it out and I'll show you what to do next. Our Thanksgiving turkey is in here. So it's been almost 2.5 hours. Let's take this beauty out and let me tell you what to do next. Okay, here it is. So here's the moment of truth. Let's go. Let's open this. Man, the holiday food has a different kind of smell. Yummy. Wow. Hold on. We are not done yet. This is perfectly cooked at this time. We need the char on it, right? So for the char, we will put this baby back in our oven at least for an hour. This beauty right back in our oven at least for 1 hour. The inside temperature should reach 165 of the turkey breast. And on the leg, let's check the leg. It says almost 180. I have sliced some lemons and some oranges with this. So this is the moment of truth. As a chef, I can do whatever I want with this, but I just want to make a note here. Take a look. Once you cook this turkey, leave it on the room temperature at least for 30 minutes. So let me give you the inside of it now. Look at this slice. You can just cut it, and here you go. This will be your turkey breast. Juicy, tender. Oh my god, my name is Mair. Enjoy this recipe, make this recipe, check more videos on the channel. You will love it. All these recipes are for you. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, enjoy this. This is the turkey leg. Seasoned orange, and the juices are here. And here goes the bite of this delicious turkey breast. It's not hard, it's not bland, it has all the flavor. This turkey has a delicious aroma.